Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope everybody will be fine. So today we will solve question number 2.9, page number 33-34. So let's start. First we will read the question and after that we will start the solution. Unit cost, inventory valuation, cost of goods sold. So the cost department of the White Corporation prepare the following data and cost for the year 2019. Inventories on January 1st and on December 31st. Means that this is the full year data and the year starting date is 1st January and ending date is 31st of December. So on 1st January finished goods, that is 48,600, and on 31st December finished goods amount, that is unknown. Work in process 81,500 on January 1st, and on December 31st 42,350. Materials on January 1st, that is 34,200, and on December 31st 49,300. So look at, if we use our common sense, so January 1st, these are the beginning inventories of the year 2019, and today the year 2019 will be finished. So the December 31st inventories are the remaining inventories of the 2019, and on January 1st inventories are the remaining inventories of the previous year 2018. Okay, depreciation factory equipments 21,350. Look at, sometimes depreciations that are given, but in the brackets the depreciation of the office administration or depreciation of the selling and distribution departments that are given. So if depreciation are given and with the brackets selling and distribution or administrative office are given, so such depreciation will not be calculated in the cost of goods sold statements. Those depreciation which only taken place in the factory, like depreciation of the factory building, depreciation of the factory plant, depreciation of the factory machinery, and depreciation of the fixed assets of the factory. So only and only keep in mind that depreciation will be included in the CGS statement. Otherwise all type of the depreciation will be recorded in the income statement. So here factory equipments, so that is a part of the factory overhead. Interest earned 6,300. Finished goods inventory on January 1st 300 units, and on December 31st 420 units, all from the current year productions. Sold units during the year 2019 3,880 units at a unit sales price 220 per unit, means that selling price is $220. Clear? So look at 3,800 and how much? 3,880 units that is sold out during the year 2019, and the selling price per unit is $220. Material purchased, how much? The $3,64,000 material purchased during the year 2019. Direct labor is $1,62,500. Indirect labor is how much? That is 83,400. This is a indirect labor. Freight in, that is 8,600. Freight in means when material is purchased by the manufacturing unit, so they bring those materials to the manufacturing unit. So for that, company pay taxi fare. That taxi fare is called freight in or freight charges. Okay, miscellaneous factory overhead 47,900. Purchase discounts. Purchase discount means material are purchased and on this purchase discount is received. So that is 5,200. This was our total question. What are the requirements? Number first, the unit cost of the finished goods inventory on December 31st. It means that on December 31st, the how much units that is produced. So to find out the unit cost of the goods manufactured or the finished goods. Number second requirement, the total cost of finished goods inventory on December 31st. That till December 31st, 2019, how much units are produced. So the total cost of those units. Third, the cost of goods sold. We should find out that the cost of the goods sold. Fourth number, the gross profit total and gross profit per unit. So this was our question. A little bit calculations that are required, that here if we looked out, so in our previous questions the inventories, finished goods, beginning and ending that are given, but here ending inventory if you looked out on December 31st, so that is question mark. Question mark, it doesn't means that finished goods are zero. If the ending finished goods are zero, so directly zero that should be given. But here question mark are given, so it means that we have some ending finished goods, but their amount is not given. So we should find out the amount of the finished goods, the ending finished goods. Now we are going to the solution of this question. So dear students, as you know that in the statement, first we will write the name of the company, then we will write the statement, and after that we will write the duration. So if you looked out here, name of the company is White Corporation, then CJ statement, then for the year ended December 31st, 2019. We are going to prepare the CJ statement for the year 2019. So it means that current year is 2019 or previous year is 2018. So all the January 1st inventories, if you looked out here, so all the January 1st inventories, these are the remaining inventories of the year 2018. So it will becomes the opening inventory of 2019, and you know that we will start from the materials. So direct materials, just beginning materials are opening materials, means that we will check it out that either we have some material remain from the 2018 or not. So yes, the 34,200 material that is remain from the previous year 2018. So first we will write the materials inventory on January 1st 2019. These are the remaining, keep in mind that these are the remaining material from 2018. How much? 34,200. Okay. During the year we made some purchases. So we add purchases. How much are the purchases? In the question, purchases are also given. Purchases are, that is material purchase, the $3,64,000 purchases are made here. Look at this amount. So this will be added here, $3,64,000. With this purchase when we made, so purchase discount is also given. If you studied the question carefully, so here in the question, purchase discount 5,200 is also given. The last one here, purchase discount. What does it mean by purchase discount? It means that the 3,64,000 we made the purchases, but in this 3,64,000 we got the 5,200 discount on purchase. It means that company not paid this amount. So when company not paid this amount, it means that we will deduct this from the purchases. Why? To find out the exact or the net purchase. So less purchase discount, keep in mind that we will subtract purchase discount from the purchases. As in the income statement, from the sales we are subtracting sales discount. So similarly here we will subtract the purchase discount from the purchases. So less purchase discount, we put minus sign with, so 5,200. Now how much is the subtotal? So we will subtract the 5,200 from the $3,64,000. So our subtotal is 3,58,800. In the question, freight in is also given. That's why I not write here the net purchases. Why? When we made the purchases of 3,58,800 materials, so on this we also pay the 8,600 freight. So freight in will be added with the cost of purchases. Freight in means that we purchase the material, but when we transfer those materials to our manufacturing unit, so we also pay freight on these material. Freight means kiraya. So that freight will also be included in the cost of the material purchase. Add freight in. How much? That is 8,600. Now our net purchases. How much is our net purchases for the year 2019? So net purchases, we is equals to, we will add purchases plus transportation in or freight in. So our purchases, net purchases now the 3,67,400. It means that, locate that in the year 2019 we made the 3,67,400 materials, and the 34,200 materials that is remain from the previous year. So now for the processing, how much cost materials now available for the processing. So we will add the previous year remaining purchases plus the current year net purchases. That is called total material available for use. Total material available for use. What we will do now here we will add the previous year material, that is 34,200, plus the current year net purchases, that is 3,67,400. So it means that in the year 2019 the $4,01,600 material that is available for the use. But today is the end of the year, December 31st, 2019, means that the 2019 will be finished today. So when we checked out the store record, so according to the store record, we have some material left, means that material is not used in 2019, and we record the cost in the 2019. These materials which have the value of how much? 49,300, means that these materials we purchased in 2019 2019. We record the cost of these material in 2019, but these material not used in 2019. This will be used in 2020. Clear? So according to the matching principles, we will subtract these material from 2019 and will add such material for in 2020, just like the 34,200 material which is not used in 2018. We record these in the 2018, but not used in the 2018. So what we record the 34,200 materials in 2019. From 2018 we subtract it, and here in the 2019 we add it. So similarly here in 2019 also the 49,300 materials left unused. So from here we will subtract, and these material when transferred to 2020, so over there we will add. Clear? Why we are doing these tracks? We are doing these tracks to find out the exact cost of the material which is used in the production in year 2019. If we not add the previous year, the 2018 remaining material, and not subtract the current year, the 2019 materials, so we will be unable to find out the exact cost of materials. Keep in mind. So for that purpose, what we are doing, we are adding the previous time period remaining materials and subtracting the current time periods materials to find out the exact material cost, that how much material we used for the specified period of time. Now so the 49,300 material, total material was 4,16,000. So in this 4,16,000 material, now we have only the 49,300 materials. So this 49,000 material we will subtract less materials inventory, or we can say that ending material on December 31st, 2019. Yeah, simply we can write this is a ending material. How much? Minus 49,300. So look at, when total material was of the 4,16,000, and in this 4,16,000 we only have in the store now the 49,300 materials. So the difference between 4,16,000 and 49,300, that is the material cost. Means during the year 2019 we used the material. How much? So material cost. This is also called material consumed. $4,16,000 minus 49,300. It shows that during the year we used the 3,52,300 materials. This is the exact figure of the material consumed during the year 2019. Clear now?